Did you know that a staggering 50% of medical studies never make it to journals? This hidden treasure trove, known as gray literature, could be the secret ingredient for your next breakthrough. Most researchers focus solely on peer-reviewed articles, completely overlooking critical data that could reshape their findings. In fact, systematic reviews that ignore gray literature are 40% more likely to overestimate treatment effects, which can put patients at risk. The FDA mandates that all clinical trials be registered, yet nearly 29% of these studies vanish from publication. Gray literature encompasses government reports, conference abstracts, dissertations, and clinical registries, each a goldmine of information that traditional searches miss. Start digging into resources like clinicaltrials.gov, opengray.eu, and the WHO ICTRP database. Are you only seeing half the evidence? Your next medical breakthrough might just be hiding in plain sight.